Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video here at Daring Beefcake. On today's video I have this Vw Passat. This is a 2005-2006 model, and basically I have a problem with the transmission, where all the transmission lights. This is an automatic car, by the way. So what I have at the moment is the PR&D on the dash are showing all in red, so that's very usual and typical of the ECU that's gone a bit potty. However, I haven't got any fault codes, only the engine light is on, and like I said, the PR&D is all lit up in red, as if all the gears are selected. And again, as I mentioned, that is quite a typical problem of the transmission ECU, or the the TCU really. So I was looking like mad where to find this TCU on this car, because on the earlier model it's located under the driver's side footwell, and I mean driver's side in this case. This car is in the UK, so it's a right-hand drive, and it would be under the driver's side footwell carpet, and it used to get wet and whatnot and fail. And then apparently there is a period of time where they place the TCU in the seat behind under the carpet. So I'm not sure about that one, but on this particular one it's sitting in here, so you have to remove the wheel, remove this the wheel arch, or the mud guard as we call it, that mud guard there. All that came out of here, by the way, so this is really messed up and wet. And then this is the transmission control unit, which is just sitting up there, and is held in by two 10mm bolts. And to get it out, you have to press on this little clip here at the back as well. Well, you don't really press it, you sort of remove the 10mm and then bring this toward this way, and then bring it down. So I just unplugged it. I was checking the terminals here. There's nothing to suggest it's wet or there's any corrosion in there. So I was just gonna give it a quick clean and fit it back. And basically I'm gonna take the part number, because I am suspecting that this is gone faulty. So I will have to replace it really in order to solve the issue. And because I haven't got any actual fault codes, it's a bit difficult to say. However, having said that, I haven't got any fault codes. The computer is unable to access this TCU, so I can only access the engine one and not this one. And again, that is a very typical of a TCU that's failed. So I'm not sure if this is a plug and play device, to be fair. On the earlier model it wasn't, so I had to buy a TCU that was exactly, it had the exact part number. It was really hard to find on that 2002 Passat it was. On this one I'm not sure if it's going to be hard or not to find the exact part number, but that's the plan. And so I may actually make another video if I actually get this sorted by swapping this. So for now, I just wanted to show you the location of the transmission control unit in this particular car model, because I've been looking for it whole morning, and I was hadn't had a clue where it was until I came up to some forum, somebody saying it's under the wheel arch, and I just didn't know which wheel arch. But because again, this is the passenger side in the UK, so I guess if you're in the USA it would be the driver's side, or any other place in the world where they drive on the left-hand drive, which is most of the world, to be fair. Anyway, so having said that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.